Hey there, Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director, and I'm really excited because we're coming at you from my home. We're going to be talking all about how to make your hair color last. There's definitely going to be those times when you can't make it to the salon, so how can you make sure that your hair looks your best? In this video, we're going to be talking about products that are really great for kind of toning the hair and making sure that your color looks perfect and poppin', right? For any online video chats or headed to the grocery store. Then we're also going to be talking about some really great care products that you can use to repair any damage. And then last but not least, we'll talk about some really fun customizing color products that you can use to play around with your hair color while you got some free time. So if you're bored at home, definitely hang out for this video. It's going to be a fun one. So first up, we have the Blonde Absolute Hydrating Illuminating Shampoo. Now, I really love this product because it's almost like a highlighter. Think of it like your makeup highlighter. It's going to give your hair a little bit of shine, and then it's got hyaluronic acid in there, which gives it moisture and really helps to give the hair the hydration that it so desperately needs. So next up, once a week, to give my hair an extra little treat, I use the Blonde Absolute Anti-Brass Purple Mask. Now this is a delicious decadent treatment that you can use up to 2 times a week for 5 minutes and beyond. So you can see here, it's got a beautiful purple tone. Now this is really great for neutralizing any extra brassiness that might be built up in the hair or any yellow tones that you can see in platinum blondes. So this has been a game changer for my hair routine, doing it about once a week for 5 minutes just to make sure that I'm maintaining a consistent color throughout all of my hair from roots to tips. I love this product. So that's it for my wash routine. So next up, we'll talk a little bit about styling. There's some really fun and innovative products from IGK. So we have the Mixed Feelings Leave-In Toning Drops from IGK. These are really awesome. You've got one that's really great for blondes, again for neutralizing brassiness and any golden tones in blonde hair. And then this one for brunettes, which is really awesome for neutralizing any red tones or any ultra oranges that might have built up. Now I'll show you how to use these after we talk about the next product, and I'll actually mix it in so you can see it in action. Next up, I want to make sure that I'm using a really great leave-in conditioner because my curls are super thirsty and I want to make sure that I want to quench them, right? I love the... I can leave it here. From Olaplex, we have the number 6 Bond Smoother Reparative Styling Cream. This is really awesome because it's going to be doing 3 things for my hair. It reduces frizz, nourishes, and protects my hair, which is really awesome. Then you've got a bonding technology in there that helps to repair any damage that may have happened during the chemical treating process. So it's actually a double duty styling product, which I love. Then once I mix in the toning drops, it's like all of the things that I need in one styling product, which is really awesome. It makes my hair routine go in a flash. This is definitely fun to see these products in action. It's almost like at-home mixology. You gotta see this. It's really cool. I'm gonna take a little dollop of the Bond Smoother. I don't use a lot, maybe like the size of a pea, because I don't have really long hair. But if you're somebody who has like longer locks, you might dispense a little bit more because you want to make sure that you're fully saturating the hair. So now I'm ready to mix in the drops. So I'm going to move in a little closer so you can see. There's a soft depressor button on the end that all you have to do is just pop, and you get 1 drop dispensed right into the product. Then I can mix it together, and you can see I get a really soft lavender tone. Then I can take that, work it through my hands, and work it right through my hair. Now I like to apply this on damp hair and allow it to air dry to get the perfect style for my curls. Sometimes if I need a little bit more volume, I can hit it with the diffuser, but I find that just letting it air dry this product is perfect. So anytime you're hanging at home and you have a little bit of free time, one fun thing you can do is switch up your hair color. It's really cool to kind of experiment and try new things, right? But you don't necessarily want to commit to a color. So what's really fun from Moroccanoil is this here, which is the Moroccanoil Color Depositing Mask. So these are infused with Argan ID, which is really great for multi-benefits, including antioxidant protection, all the while getting a fun dose of color that you can mix and match and custom blend. I have 3 colors here, and you can already see I've used a little bit of mine. I actually did a rainbow sherbet in my hair. It was a lot of fun. Here we have Aquamarine, This is a beautiful Bordeaux, and this is a platinum color, which is really great for kind of, again, brightening blondes. This comes in 7 shades total, so you can kind of mix and match and find a really fun color story that works great for you. So that's pretty much it for me here. Hopefully this offers some fun solutions for when you can't get to the salon to keep your hair color looking fresh. If you have any questions, shout that out in the comment section below, or if you loved any of the products and just want to show some love. And be sure to subscribe to Sephora YouTube so you can hang out with us here on the channel. Until next time, ciao for now. Mwah.